Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. So again we are here for learning science. So today we continue our lesson number 5 activity. So let's start our lecture. As you know, I am Mubassira Miss from Mahdi School. I am your science teacher and today we continue our lesson number 5, the world of animals. So yesterday we do activity of animals, who I am. So today we continue this activity. So yesterday we see some pictures of animals and we identify some animals. So today we continue this activity. So let's start our today's lecture with one beautiful line, that if you keep on believing, the dreams that you wish will come true. So when you see any dream and if you believing that your dream come true, that definitely this thing come true. So most important thing is we have to believe in our dreams. So let's start our lecture with this line. So here we start our lesson number 5, the world of animals. So in this lesson what we learn? We learn about animals. We learn about birds, insects, some animals, and we learn about night birds which are awake in night like bat and owl and many other animals. We also learn about animals which are living in forest like big animals, lion, tiger, deer, rabbit, and we learn about insects which are very small animals. All these things we learned yesterday, that cat and mouse are small animals. We learn about penguins. We learn about fish which are living under water. So today we learn lesson number 5, the world of animals. Today we continue our activity which we done yesterday. We identify some animals with their color. So let's start our today's topic, but before that we revise the animals. So we learn about birds. Here you can see many birds. So we learn about sparrow, parrot, flamingo and crow, peacock. Then we learn that these all animals are living on tree. So we see the picture of tree. We see that some animals like fish and starfish and many other are living under water. Then we learn that lion which are living on land, which is the king of the forest. So in this lesson we learn about where animals live, how they look, how we divide this animal in different types. Then we learn about tigers, that tigers are also living on land. So how they are living on land? They not make house, but they find the place where they can live. Elephant, here you can see elephant which is one of the big animal of the world. So elephant also live on land. Then we learn about horse, that horse living around rivers. So the horse is running very fast in water. So we learn about horse. Then we learn about giraffe, that is the tallest animal. Then we learn about rabbit, which is a small animal. So like rabbit, cat, dog, sheep, all are small animals with 4 legs. We learn that rabbit have long ears. So all these things we learn in this lesson. We learn about zebra. We also learn that we use zebra crossing on road. Why we called it zebra crossing? Because the color of zebra crossing is black and white like zebra. That's why we called it zebra crossing. Then we learn that some animals live on tree. So let's see animals which are living on tree. The animals like monkey are living on tree. They jump one tree to other tree. They use trunks of the tree to go one tree to other tree. They can jump very long. Then we learn about squirrel which are also living on tree. So animals like monkey and squirrel, they are living on tree. Then we learn that some animals live in water. So let's see which animals are living in water. Animals like fish are living in only water. They cannot live on land. They swim under water. They can see through to water. When we swimming under water, we cannot see things as clear like fish see things. Dolphins are also one of the animal which are only living under water because they cannot live out of the water. They can die. So dolphins are living under water. Here you can see that dolphins are swimming under water. We learn about shark, world's largest animal. So we also learn that most dangerous animal is shark. Here you can see the teeth of shark. The baby of shark can kill you because they have sharp teeth. So here you can see shark which is swimming under water. So we learn in this lesson that some animals live underwater also, on water also and on land also. So let's see which animals are living on land. Frogs. Frogs are insects. So they are living on land also and under water also. Here you can see that frog is jumping in forest. Then we learn about crocodile, that crocodile is also one of the dangerous animals. So when crocodile swim underwater, so you cannot feel that crocodile is swimming around you. Crocodile swimming very silently and attack on object very silently. So the animals cannot run away when crocodile attack on them because they don't know that crocodile will attack on them. So crocodile is one of the animal which are living underwater also and on land also. Then we learn about tortoise which are also one of the animal which are living very long. So we can see small tortoise too and the big tortoise too. Here you can see the picture of tortoise which is very older. So it is very old animal and they can live more than 100 years. And when the legs of tortoise inside the shell, you can't imagine that there is a tortoise. You just see that there is a stone. It's look like. So here you can see the tortoise is swimming under water. In first picture you see that tortoise is living on land, and second picture you can see it is swimming under water. So this is one of the animal which are living on land also and living under water also. So let's start our today's activity. We do activity of Who Am I? So today again we continue this activity. So first we revise that what we learn and what we identified yesterday. So let's start. The first elephant which we learned yesterday is how we identify elephant. So we learned that color of elephant is grey, and elephant living on land have big ears and it is very big animal. So we identify elephant with the color and big ears. Then we learn about spider, which is a small animal and it is an insect with 8 legs. So we can count the legs of spider. We also learn that spider make web. Here red color web you can see, and it is very scary. Then we identify squirrel. So squirrel is very small animal like mouse. The color of squirrel is brown, and squirrel is living on trees like monkey. They climb tree very fast. Then we identify penguins. So penguin is a bird which have wings but they cannot fly because of their weight. So they can swim. So we learn that black and white color animal which is living in ice is penguin. Then we learn about frog, which is a small animal and the color of frog is green. Frog living in water also and on land also. So we learn about frogs. Then we learn about giraffe. That giraffe is one of the tallest animal and which is color in yellow. We learn that giraffe have long neck and long legs. Then we learn about fish, that fish can see underwater. Fish live in water and they cannot live on land. Then we learn about lion, the king of the forest, and the color of lion is brown. So we learn that they can also live on land. And last we learn about butterfly, which is a one insect with 6 legs and wings. They have wings to fly and they fly flower to flower. So then we learn about parrot, which is one of the animal which have wings and we called it birds. They have beak also and color is green. We learn that parrot is speak like us. So we learn about all these animals. We also learn that how we identify animals. So we today identify other animals. So let's start our first animal, that how we identify it. So first we start, I am small animal. Then I have 6 legs. So as we learn in this lesson that animals who have 6 legs are insects. So definitely this animal is insect. I am insect. My color is red and black. Remember we learn about small animals which are insects. In this we learn about one small animal which color is red and black. So which is animal have black and red color with black dot with red dot, and it is very small. So which animal it is? It is ladybug. So we learn about this animal. We also learn that some ladybug have yellow and black color. Some ladybug have white and black color also. So the small animal with 6 legs which is insect is ladybug. So how we identify ladybug? That color is red and black and it is very small. Let's see other animal. The second animal is I am big animal. I live on land. My color is black and brown. So, the big animal with black and brown color. Which is this animal? I look like you, but I have tail. So, we learn about animals which is look like us. This animal also mimic of us. I climbed tree to tree. So the monkey is climbing one tree to tree. We learn that animal which is living on tree. So which is this animal? It is monkey. Here you can see the picture of monkey which is climbing one tree to other tree. So now we write the spelling of monkey. So here you can see the picture of monkey which is climbing one tree to other tree. So the animal which is color black or brown and look like us but they having tail. So it is monkey. Now let's see other animal. That I am big animal. I am living on land. So we learn about many animals which are living on land. Horse, elephant, giraffe, zebra. I have black and white strips on my body. Now which animal living on land and having black and white color? Like zebra crossing. We learn in starting of this lecture about zebra with black and white strip on body. They live in group. So which animal it is with black and white color? It is a zebra. So let's see the picture of zebra. You can see here the color of zebra is black and white, and it is very big animal and live in group. So let's write the spelling of zebra. We learned that in starting that zebra crossing which we use to cross the road is named from this zebra because the color of zebra crossing look like zebra. Then next animal is I am small animal. I am bird. So we learn about birds that birds have two wings and two legs. They have beak, they have no teeth. I am one of the beautiful bird on the earth. So in lesson number 5 we learn about many birds, animals. We learn about largest animal, we learn about tallest animal. So from this we also learn about beautiful bird. So which bird it is? I am also known as the national bird of India. When we learn about birds, we learn that bird like peacock, which is a national bird of India. We revise this, that beautiful bird which have wings also, which have feathers also. So this is a peacock. Now let's see the picture of peacock. Here you can see the picture of peacock because it is very beautiful bird. We learn that peacock is our country India's national bird. So we write here spelling of peacock. So now when you see this type of bird who have beautiful feathers and which is beautiful bird, you can identify that this is peacock. Now let's see next animal. I am small animal. I am living on land as well as in water. Now let's see which animal it is, which is living on land also and which is living under water also. I walk slowly. So we learn about animals which are living on land and living under water. From this, which is slow animal? I look like stone. I have no teeth. We learn about this animal in starting of this lecture. Who am I? So let's see which picture it is. Here you can see the picture of this animal. Which animal it is? Yes, it is tortoise. So we write the spelling here. So it is small animal. Live in water also, on land also, and we learn the story of rabbit also, that this animal is very slow. So this animal look like stone. Then let's see next animal. I am big animal. I am biggest cat on earth. It's look like maybe cat. I have orange, white and black color strips on my body. So the body of this animal is orange, black and white. Then I am national animal of India. So our country's national animal it is. So let's see which animal it is. Yes, which animal it is? Tiger. So we write the spelling of tiger. You can see black, white and orange strips on body of tiger. So we identify tiger. Now let's see next animal. That I am small. I am bird. Maybe it is parrot, maybe it is crow, maybe it is sparrow. Now we can identify this bird with the color, because birds have 2 legs and 2 wings. My color is black. So we learn about 2 birds who have black color. From this, which one it is? My voice is not sweet. So the bird is, let's see the picture. Yes, very good. It is crow. So which bird it is? It is crow. So we write the spelling of crow. So 2 birds who have black color, but one voice is sweet and the crow's voice is not sweet. So we can easily identify crow. Now let's see other animal. I am big animal. I have 4 legs. I live on land. We cannot identify right now this animal because we don't know the color of this animal. My color is black, white or brown. Now we see the animals black, white, zebra. But brown color, which animal it is? I run very fast. So we learn about animals which are running very fast. Ostrich can run very fast and horse can run very fast. So maybe it is horse. So let's see the picture. Which animal it is? Who is running very fast in water? In starting we learn about horse. Yes. So the animal with 4 legs living on land in black, white or brown. And we learn that horse is very fast animal. So this is horse. So we can easily identify this animal. Now let's see next animal. Which one is it? I am big animal. I have 4 legs. I live on land as well as in water. So we learn about animals like frog. So frogs have 4 legs. Yes, frogs also live underwater on land. Then we learn about tortoise. So they have also 4 legs. They can live on land and they can live on water. So let's see. My color is green. Maybe it is frog because frog's color is green. I swim and attack very slow. Now frog is very small animal, so frog cannot attack on anyone. So let's see which animal it is. It is big animal. Yes, which animal it is? Green color animal and swim. So it is crocodile. We learn in starting of this lesson that crocodile is one of the animal who attack very silently. So the animal with 4 legs live on land underwater is crocodile. Now let's see next animal. I am small animal. I am bird. So we learn about many birds. I have 2 legs and wings. So they can fly. I can swim on water. So we learn about 2 birds which are swimming on water. One is duck and one is swan. So let's see which animal it is. I can fly also. My color is white. So let's see which animal it is. Yes, here is duck. So the animal with 2 legs and can swim on water is duck. So we write here duck. So how we identify duck? That duck can swim on water. So let's check which is the next animal. Which is next animal is I am big animal. I am bird. So big animal and bird. Let's check which is it animal. I am largest bird of the world. So when we learn about birds, we learn that the largest animal of the world is. Remember we learn about this? Yes? Then let's check out next that I cannot fly but I run very fast. We learn about 2 birds which have wings but they cannot fly. One is penguin and second is ostrich. Penguin cannot run very fast but ostrich run very fast and I am very tall. So which animal it is? It is penguin or ostrich. Let's check out which bird it is. It is ostrich because we know that penguin cannot run very fast. So the animal which is largest bird of the world and run very fast is ostrich. So now you can identify the ostrich that it is world's largest bird. So I hope you all understand that how we identify different types of birds, animals and small animals with their colors and with their activities. So some can run very fast, some can swim and some live on ice. So now I hope you understand and enjoy this lecture. So keep yourself neat and clean and stay healthy.